Hello everybody and a very warm welcome back to my latest unboxing video. I do hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. So, as you may know, I'm not the biggest Discogs fan. Out of various reasons, I'm not going into details. So I try not to buy on Discogs. But a couple of weeks ago, I was browsing through my want list on Discogs and I was like, no way. So one seller had 3 records I wanted. One was or is hopefully an upgrade, and 2 others I was looking for a long time. I was always hoping to see these records at the Mega Record Fair in Den Bosch, but that didn't happen. So I checked the sellers and the comments and the feedback he was getting, and this was like glowing comments about how the packaging was, how the grading was. So I thought I'll give it a try, and I had to remove this Hello everybody and a very warm welcome back to my latest unboxing video. I do hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. As you may know, I'm not the biggest Discogs fan. Out of various reasons, I'm not going into detail. I don't think we have so much time. But a couple of days ago, I was browsing through my want list on Discogs and I was like, no way. There was one seller who had 3 records. One is hopefully an upgrade to an old version I have, and 2 other records I wanted for a long time. And I was always hoping to find these records at the Mega Record Fair in Den Bosch. Because if you're trying to find rare records or records you won't see every day in a record store, this is the place to be. It didn't happen. So I took the chance and bought 3 records from Discogs, and so far what I can tell you, 3 records and the packaging is absolutely stellar. So no complaints about this. Honestly, I'm nervous. So we're gonna open this up together and see how the results are. It was not so much fun removing all the stickers and addresses and everything on top of it, but yeah, let's see. I can't wait. Stellar packaging. All right, so far so good. Here is an address sticker on top of it, so I kind of removed it before. No, that doesn't work, so I try to keep it hidden a little bit. I'm so excited. Ooh. This is the best packaging I ever received records in, period, from a Discogs seller. Here they are. Like I said, I'm a little nervous. So what do we have up here? Batikocher. So this is, let me see, this is still in the shrink. This is still in the shrink. And somebody wrote the price of it from $3.99. So this one got pretty famous because there's a track on it which was sampled, and this is Praise You Like I Should, and this is on this one. Okay, this is the highlight. Okay. This is my upgrade, hopefully, to Joe and Garrett. I do already have a copy of that album, but the thing is with this one, it looks not in the best shape. But what is always wondering is because I bought this one when I was in Den Bosch and it was dirty as hell. So when I got home, and I bought this when I wasn't really so experienced with things. So I got home and I cleaned it and I was kind of shocked in what a shape it was. But it plays very well for the state in it is in. So I do love this record. So I always was hoping to find an upgrade version for mine, because those records you won't find up here in Germany. I haven't seen ever one in a record store. So this is hopefully my upgraded version for Joe and Garrett. Now this is my highlight record. I wanted this record for such a long time. It got insanely rare and finding it in good condition is very difficult. There's a reissue which came out a couple of years ago. I think it was in yellow vinyl, and this is Honey and the Beast, the original version, which is still in kind of shrink, and yeah, putting up in a nice inner sleeve. Well, yeah. So I will take the records out, we'll clean them, and so far I'm very happy. I haven't seen the vinyl yet, but the packaging was absolutely stellar. I'm still blown away how well this was packaged, and yeah, maybe I should change my attitude towards Discogs a little bit. I think if you find a seller who is reliable and where you can say, okay, I'm fine with the grading, I'm fine with the packaging, and also price-wise, this is working for me. So yeah, I have to admit, so far I'm happy, and I will check the vinyl and yeah, let you guys know in the next one. I'm honestly a little shaking because this is so cool. I'm a little speechless. So yeah, I will now turn on the degritter, clean the hell out of this record, and yeah, have a very great afternoon. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, I'll highly suggest that you check out the playlist appearing up here, and I'll catch you on the next one.